Fizz Clean, the toilet cleaning powder. The main selling point is that it supposedly cleans deeply without any scrubbing. Just drop in the bowl and let it fizz. The idea is appealing. It's supposed to tackle limescale, rust, urine stains, odors, and bacteria with a fizzy reaction. On paper, it sounds like a super low-effort alternative to brushes and liquid cleaners. They also try to sweeten the deal with bundle offers, urgency timers, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. But digging a bit deeper, things get murkier. There's no independent testing or third-party proof that it actually removes tough stains. Honestly, rust and limescale are usually stubborn enough that a fizzy powder alone probably won't do the trick. The ingredients are another red flag. There's no clear list or safety sheet, just vague marketing terms like advanced chemistry and industrial-grade power. Even performance claims feel inconsistent. Some sellers say it works in 10 minutes, others say 20 plus, and there's no proof it disinfects effectively. No EPA registration or lab certification is mentioned, so it's hard to know how reliable it is. Customer reviews don't paint a great picture either. People report weak foaming, minimal stain removal, confusing pricing, delivery delays, and headaches getting refunds. Overall, Fizz Clean seems to rely heavily on marketing hype. It might freshen a toilet a bit, but if you're hoping for a true deep clean without scrubbing, it probably won't live up to promises. It feels more like a gimmick than a serious cleaning solution.